CONMED's Infinity Knee System is designed for ACL and PCL reconstruction. This modular, comprehensive knee preservation system allows surgeons to personalize multi-ligament procedures to their own unique technique. The Infinity Modular Guide System includes 5 guide arms for all-inside repair and tibial-specific options for both ACL and PCL reconstruction. The guide body has a quick latch feature that makes attaching and removing the guide sleeves fast and easy. A simple locking mechanism allows for one-handed adjustment of the guide arm angle. 3 guide sleeve options have a ratcheting edge for easy advancement and secure locking. For anatomic techniques, the Infinity Anteromedial Guide features an offset for back wall preservation and a footprint guide for tunnel diameter visualization. The Infinity Knee System includes multiple options for tunnel reaming. Fully fluted, constant diameter reamers allow for smooth and efficient tunnel creation. For all inside approaches, the Infinity Retro Reamer is designed with a simple deployment mechanism and is available in a wide range of sizes. The Infinity Femoral Adjustable Loop Button is the first reversible button on the market. The reversible button feature allows the surgeons to re-lengthen the graft loop after initial fixation of the button and then reposition the graft within the femoral tunnel to achieve optimal graft placement. The button's combination of a friction and mechanical locking mechanism provides solid fixation under the most demanding conditions. Used together, the Infinity Tibial Button Series and Free Loop offer a solution for tibial all-inside suspensory fixation. The Infinity Tibial Button design is easy to place onto the Free Loop and includes a centering bulb to align the implant over the tibial tunnel. For interference fixation, use the Easy Start interference screw for secure bone-tendon-bone fixation. The tapered nose makes initial insertion and placement simple. The dual start threads self-tap and eliminate the need for additional instrumentation. To schedule a demonstration, contact your local sales representative today. CONMED. Imagine what we could do together.